Hey, welcome back viewers. This is Ijaz here. This is our lecture number 6 of transportation problem. Friends, under this method I am going to explain you third technique of transportation problem called VAM, Vogels Appropriation or Approximation method, my friends. So friends, already I have delivered 5 different lectures. So please, if you haven't watched my 5 different lectures so far, it's my request to please go and watch my 5 different videos on transportation problem and continue this video. This video, it's all about method 3 or technique 3 of transportation problem, which is also very important to minimize your transportation cost by this method today. So without wasting our time, straight away I'll deliver my talk on VAM method. So before us we have one question. This is question number 1. So series of questions I have solved so far. So friends, see the question which is written on board. I'm gonna read it again. Fine. Now see, from the given transportation problem. So the given this one problem is transportation problem, and find the total cost. So we have to find total cost and its generacy. Generacy means its status of VFS, whether it is BFS or not BFS. If it is BFS, it is said to be non-degeneracy. If it is not BFS, it is said to be degeneracy. Right? So this is all about the question. So from the given transportation problem, we will find out total cost and its generacy by VAM. VAM means Vogels Approximation method. Vogels Approximation method, my friends. Friends, see, we have same kind of a matrix, but we have to solve this matrix by Vogels Approximation method, my friends. See, one side, so this is vertical side, we have sources, number of sources. You have source 1, S1, source 2, S2, source 3, S3, and source 4, S4. Likewise, the available quantity in S1 is 10, available quantity in S2 20, available quantity in S3 10, S4 20. So this is what the available quantity to supply, right? So likewise, we have final places called the destination, final places where your production reaches, right? So we have 4 different destinations, final places. This is destination 1, D1, destination 2, D2, destination 3, D3, destination 4, D4. So likewise, the demand of first destination is 15, demand of second destination 20, demand of third destination 10, and the fourth destination, that is D4, is 15. Okay, so this is all about the this one matrix given, and this is nothing but the capacity and demand. You know, A and BJ is nothing but. So already you have given the cost matrix. So whenever you given the cost matrix, so no need to worry at all, because we require cost matrix to proceed any of the transportation problem, irrespective of the technique of transportation problem. Either it could be northwest corner method, matrix minimum method, or VAM method, or further we may modify it by Modi method. Friends, very simple, no need to even we have to check whether it is balanced transportation problem or imbalanced transportation problem. This is all about the question. Next, I'm coming to the solution here. I'll solve this question here. First, I'll copy this question so that I'll proceed same question by VAM method. So friends, it's my sincere request, all of you, my viewers, have a very carefully today, because the VAM method is a little bit complicated compared to northwest corner method and matrix minimum method. So northwest corner method, matrix minimum method is completed, my friends. So in my request, please practice northwest corner method and matrix minimum method by repeating my video. Okay, pause. Okay, maintain the notes and practice it. Okay, you will get so many questions from your previous question papers. Take the question papers, start solving this chapter called transportation problem. Okay, fine. Now we proceed with this transportation problem. So we have horizontal side, friends, destination. We have destination. Fine. There are 4 destinations, namely destination 1, destination 2, destination 3, destination 4 these are the 4 destination, and here you have capacity. Okay, fine. So vertical side you have source or sources, you may say source, okay, and the number of sources are S1, S2, S3, S4. Likewise I write here S1, S2, S3, S4, and last one is demand. Last one is demand, my friends. Okay, see my friends, now I have copied destination and sources. Fine, now it's time to take the entire cost. Fine, same number I am copying here, 6425, 6425 and 3952. So this is 3952, and the third one is 6624, 662 and 4 here, and the last one 4567. 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I'll go to demand. So in case of D1 is 50, 20 and 10 and 15. 10 and 15. And here capacity side 10, 20, 10, 20. 10, 20, 10, 20. Right? This is what I have copied this question from question to this one solution. But because it is a cost, no need to convert cost into cost again, otherwise cost into loss. When you given profit, then you convert profit matrix into cost matrix. It is very simple. This is proceed matrix. Right, friends? Okay, now before moving further with the method or steps of VAM, we need to proceed with for first general 3 steps. Which are those 3 general steps? The first one is allocation of AI and BJ. Allocation of AI to capacity, BJ to demand. Okay, fine. So let the capacity be AI, let demand be BJ, my friends. The second one is separation of this. So I will separate AI and BJ got separated to look your matrix numbers very clearly, my friends. Very clearly, very simple, very easy. Yes. Next one is the balancing of AI and BJ. We have to check whether this matrix is balanced or imbalanced. This problem is balanced or imbalanced by checking AI equals to BJ. If it is not equal, we have to make it equal by taking dummy row or dummy column by 0 cost depend. Fine, let us check. 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20, 60. 20, 40, 50, 60. Okay, here 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, 15, 15, 30, 20 plus 10, 30. It is also 60. So 60, it is the balanced transportation problem. Balanced transportation problem. 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20 equals to 60. 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 15 equals to 60. It is balanced transportation problem by both the side, AR side as well as BJ side. No need to worry. See. Very easy problem. Already cost given, already balanced. No need to convert at all. Very simple, very simple. Now we'll proceed with it's time to start with VAM steps. See, watch this video from here very carefully. Very carefully. Do not escape the video. Do not escape the video. Don't take jump. Take this one very sincere look and try to get this one steps one by one, right? Fine. Now, what is the first this one step of VAM? Steps of VAM is very important. Steps of matrix minimum method is very important for examination, for theory point of view, and steps of northwest corner method also very important examination point of view, my friends. See, next we'll find out the penalty cost. See, this is P1, and here it is P1. A row P1. Column P1. What is P1? Penalty cost. Which cost? Penalty. Penalty cost. Fine. How to find out the penalty cost? We have to select. First we'll go to row, then column. First row selected. Among these numbers, among these elements, select the 2 least elements. 2 least smallest. 3 is the very smallest, and 4 is the smallest. 2 least numbers are 3 and 4, 6, these two 6 are greater than these two numbers, right? So 4, 3 is the least, 4 is the least. So 4 minus 3, greater value minus smaller value, lesser value. 4 minus 3 equals to, the penalty cost is 1, right? Okay, source 1 completed. Next, coming to source 2, we have to check two smallest values, two least elements. So two least elements are 4 and 5. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, of course I am right. 5 minus 4 equals to, it is 1. Right? Right? Fine. Next, source 3, the least values are 2 and 2. Don't take 2 and 5 because 2 and 2 are the least. No doubt 2 and 2 both are same, but we have to select the two least. So these are the two least values, my friends. 2 minus 2, it is 0. Please do not get confused. Don't select 2 and this 5. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. Select the two least numbers among these 4 numbers. It's 2 and similar to. 2 is similar. 2 equals to 2. Always. 2 is not greater than 2 or 2 is not smaller than 2 in mathematics, my friends. Friends, select these 2 and subtract each other. Subtract each other. 2 minus 2, 0. Very simple mathematics. Fine. Now again the last row, source 4, my friends. Select the two least element, two least cost. So according to me, first this one and the second one is this. 7 is this one. Highest number then. Okay, semi highest is 5. So 4 minus 2 equals to, it is 2. Right? So this is what source penalty cost 1. Completed successfully. Do not worry at all. If you are not getting it, please go and watch. Right? Now, a row completed. Now, it's time to go to destination. Destination means column wise. So, how many columns are there? There are 4 columns. In this problem, there are 4 rows, 4 columns. S1, S2, S3, S4, D1, D2, D3, D4. Get it? Fine. Now, here, select the two least, this one values 6, 4, 2, 5. So 2 and 4. 4 minus 2, it is 2, my friends. 2, my friends. Here, next two least values. So 2 and 3. 3 minus 2, it is 1. I think you are getting it. Now I'll take my speed. Okay, I'll give my speed now. Fine. Now, two least values are 2 and 4. 4 minus 2, it is 2. Right? Fine. Next two least value 4 and 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Very simple, very simple. Try to understand. Very important question. Right? This is called penalty cost 1 successfully completed. Right? Now we have to select among these A and BJ, row and column wise penalty cost, highest element. Which element? Highest element. So now tell me which is the highest. 1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. If you ask me, I would say my answer 2 is the highest, but not 1, 2. There are multiple 2's. 1, 2, second 2, and third 2. Which 2 I am talking about? Which 2 we have to select? From where we have to enter? Question mark. Now we have to check it very carefully. Please watch this from here very carefully. Pay your attention. I want your attention, sincere attendance. Okay, maintain your value. Okay, fine. Now there are 3 2's. 2 1, 2 2, and 2 3. There are 3 2's. Fine. If I go through this 2, if I select this 2, what happens? If I select this 2, I entered here. From there, I'll enter. If I select this 2, I'll enter. Okay. If I enter here, which is the least cost? 7 4 2 5. Obviously, 2 is the least. 2 is the smallest one. Right? Am I right? Absolutely 100% right, friends. Right. If I enter here, if I select this 2, I check AI and BJ. Again I go to AI. AI is 20 and BJ is again 20. So I write here for my reference. I am ready. Okay, if I write in my brain, you will not able to see. That's why I am writing here. 20. If I select this 2. If I go to this 2, if I enter here, in this column, right? If I select this 2, I enter here. 5, 2, 4, 6. So 2 is the least. If I select this 2, AI said 10 and BJ said 15. So there is 10 here. There is a 10 here. So this 2, 20, and this 2. Which 2? This one, this 2. It is 10. Okay. Let us check the last 2 also. Fine. If I select this 2, I enter here. If I enter here 4, 2, 6, 6, which is the least? 2 is the least. Again, if I select this 2, I go to AI and BJ. 10 and 10. 10 and 10. See, first 2, 20, second 2, 10, and third 2, 10. Friends, reject first 2, and there are 2 2's remaining, second and third. So first preference goes to second. According to ranking, first preference goes to second. So you enter here in this column. If you entered in this column, so you select this and you allocate this 10. The smallest one is this one. You allocate 10 and you cancel entire this one. Row deleted. Delete. Exhaust. Right? If you exhaust, the remaining one, 15 minus 10 equals to 5. 5. 15 minus 10 equals to 5. This is called penalty cost 1 successfully completed, my friends. Now we'll move further with penalty cost 2. Fine. Okay. This is penalty cost 2 row side, and this is penalty cost 2 column side. Fine. Now again we'll find out the penalty cost. Okay, already calculated. If you want, once again I'll calculate 3 and 4, 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, next 2 least values are 4 and 5, 5 minus 4, it is 1. Save, and here it is exhausted, my friends. Please make it exhaust. Exhaust. Put exhaust. Exhausted. Now here, again, if you want, you can calculate, no problem. 2 and 4, 4 minus 2, 2. Same thing. Okay, penalty cost 2. Okay, sources completed. Now coming to destination 2. Okay, now see, one exhausted in between we have to calculate here particularly. Now tell me which are the 2 least values. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 different values. 6, 4, and 5. So 4 and 5. 5 minus 4 equals 2. It is 1 here. Right? Likewise, 2 and 3. 3 minus 2. Yes, tell me 1. Right? Likewise, see, 6, 6, 4. So 4, any 6. Either this or this. This is 6, my friends. Okay? There is no change in the different types of 6. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2 again. 2 again. And here, so 4 and 5. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Now it's time to find out the highest penalty cost. AI side, BJ side. Here it is 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Friends, there are 2 2's. Just repeat with me. There are 2 2's. There are 2 2's. So 2 2's are there. Let us go with this first because row comes first. M plus n minus 1. Row plus column. So first preference goes to row, then column. This is what. See, if I select this 2, I enter here. I will select the smallest number. The smallest number is 2. Here it is 20. And 20, I write there 20, right? Fine. Completed. Now again I will compare yet another 2 available destination side. If I enter here, the least value is 4. 4, here is 20 and 10. So first 2 rejected. We do not enter here. We don't enter here. We enter here. Okay, this is entering mark, right? If you enter here, the least one is 4, 20 and 10. Obviously, we'll allocate this 10 and we'll cancel this entire column deleted. Entire column exhausted, my friends. So this is what? See, if we cancel 10, we have to cancel 10 in 20. 20 minus 10 equals to remaining 10 my friends. 10 my friends. This is called penalty 2 completed. This is called penalty 2 successfully completed. Now we'll move further with penalty 3. P3 means penalty cost 3. Penalty cost 3. Two least minus each other. So penalty cost 3 my friends. So it is very simple. Same thing we have to follow. See this one column deleted, exhausted here. Again we have to check two least value. 3 and 4. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Right, likewise two least 4 and 5, 5 minus 4 equals to 1 my friends. So this one is already exhausted, it is one case, and here 2 and 5, 5 minus 2 equals to 3 my friends. This is what, again the column side we check. So 4 and 5, 5 minus 4 equals to 1 my friends. So likewise 3, 9, 2, so 3 minus 2 equals to 1, 1. This one is exhausted, and the numbers 5 and 4 it is 1 my friends. So we need to check the highest value. 1, 1, exhaust 3, 1, 1, exhaust 1. So 3 is only 1 3 is available. So straight away we will enter here. So this is the arrow bar. If we enter here, which is the least, 5, 2 and 7. So 2 is the least. If 2 is the least, we allocate this 10 here. So allocate 10. So cancel this one. 10 and 20 remaining is 10. So this row will be deleted, exhausted. This is called penalty cost 3 my friends. So likewise we will move further with the penalty cost 4. This is penalty cost 4. So then we will find out the penalty. Again we calculate 4 minus 3 equals to 1 my friends. So again 5 minus 4 equals to 1 my friend. So this one is exhausted, and here it is only two elements are there. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Likewise 9 minus 3 equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. So 9 minus 3 equals to 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, correct. So this one is exhausted, and 5 minus 4 equals to 1 my friends. 1 my friends. Now the highest element is this. We entered here 6 is the highest element. If we entered here the 3 we select. Here it is 10 and 10. So we allocate this 10 my friends. So allocate 10. Cancel this 10 and cancel this 10. As it is the matrix minima technique we apply here. Row deleted, column deleted my friends. This is penalty cost 4, and this one penalty cost 5. Until we complete our problem, this one proceed with penalty cost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it reaches to penalty cost 5 now. So first one is what? Exhausted, and the second one, there are two numbers, 5 minus 4 equals to 1 my friends. So this one is exhausted, and this one also exhausted. So likewise only one value is available. So don't worry, you straight away take this penalty cost 4. This one is exhausted, and remain only one value. Take this 5, done. So highest value is 5. So we entered here. If we enter only one value is available. So 15 and 20. Allocate friends 15. Cancel this entire column. The remaining is 5. See, remaining is 5. Only one cell is remaining. There must be same two values. So here it is 5 and 5. There is no value remaining. This is the balance, and only one cell should be remain. Allocate 5. This is the way of solving your VAM method, my friends. See, you cannot proceed now penalty cost 6. We have to stop to penalty cost 5 because we got only one cell and there are two values similar. So merge it and allocate the same value. This is nothing but the VAM technique of transportation problem, my friends. So if you getting it this one well and good, if you are not getting it, please pause this video, go back and watch it again and again until unless you get the VAM method into your brain, my friends. This is all about the this one VAM method of transportation problem. So friends, now it's time to find out total cost, and you have sources one side, destination and cost column. So likewise, number of allotted cells are empty cell, allotted cell, empty cell, allotted, empty, empty, allotted, allotted, empty, 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 allotted, allotted, empty. So please consider allotted cells and calculate, multiply, you will get the total cost and check it out whether it is BFS or not BFS solution of transportation problem and give your comment. Fine. Thank you so much for watching my entire VAM method technique of transportation problem. So if you have any doubt, any query, please comment in the comment section. I'll read your comment and I'll reply to your comments. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Have a nice time.